Alright guys, so this is the new Mobile G3 Sapphire Blue. So once again, the new Mobile G3 Plus only comes in Onyx Black right now. So it is $199 on their website with 3 months of Mint Mobile service, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, MediaTek processor. I think it's the Helio P25. Awesome phone. And this is like my main daily driver right now. I actually use this phone every day. And my other phone that I use every day is this one here, which I have it on Mint Mobile service right now. I'm actually testing their service out too. So this one is the purple garnet. Kind of looks like the tiger's eye brown, but it's actually the purple garnet. It turns purple. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this G3 Sapphire Blue. I mean, the Sapphire Blue. I've been looking at it online, and it's a beautiful color, man. So I just wanted to check it out just to showcase the color on my channel. These phones, I'll probably be giving one of these phones away. I mean, I have 4 of them. I really don't need all 4 of them. So maybe we'll do some giveaway at the end of this video. But let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. I'm not going to go into details as everything in the package. I just want to check out the color. So let me go ahead and get started opening this up real quick. And do a quick unboxing. It's not an official unboxing. I did plenty of those on the channel already. Just want to check out this color, man. This blue is nice. Yeah, let me go over it real quick, man. For what they offer, I think this company is pretty new to me. You know, it's probably been around for a little while, but it's pretty new to me. And I think they're doing it right, man. They have a lot to offer. I think this is like a real good deal, man, in my opinion. I think a phone with dual SIMs, USB Type-C. I mean, it has a 5.8-inch display, or 5.8-inch display. It's a 720p display, but it's a real nice one. I think it's one of the nice ones I've ever seen. As far as the 720p, it's a pretty vibrant screen, and it doesn't have a headphone jack, but comes with a dongle and all that good stuff. I did several unboxings. I probably link the unboxings up here in the card somewhere. You guys could check it out. But yeah, this is going to be the Sapphire Blue. Let's go ahead and check this out. Like I said, they all come with free Mint Mobile service. So this is their box. Nice. I like that they have the official color on the box right there. And here is the new branding. Let's see what we have here. All right. Put this over. Here is the blue. Sapphire Blue is what they're calling this color. So let me see if I can get it out of here. Sapphire Blue. And we get the usual stuff in here. Let's see if they sent me a Mint Mobile card. We do have some stickers, thank you, card, Mint Mobile. So yes, it looks like they did send me the card, so they just have a Mint Mobile card in here. We got some new stickers. I got tons of these. And let's go ahead and see. Quick start guide. And there is the Mint Mobile service. So like I said, there's a little QR code. You guys want to check that out. But like I said, they all come with Mint Mobile service, man, which is pretty awesome. I mean, here's a SIM card right there. I mean, they do come with 3 months of service. You guys can see it right there. And mine's actually came with, instead of 5 gigs per month for the 3 months, mine came with 8 gigs per month. So they actually updated on the data on mine's. Mine's is you know, you get 3 months of service. Each month they'll give you 5 gigs of high speed, but mine's actually had 8. So actually the ones I'm using, the service I'm using now is 8 gigs per month. So I think that's nice. So move that over to the side. We got the SIM card here. Mint Mobile SIM, you just drop it in and it's ready to go. And then it also comes with, I said I was going to do a full unboxing, but yeah, clear case again. And then we get the charger. This is the dongle. And we'll get the USB Type-C cable is in here. So yeah, let's go ahead and move this over to the side. I said I wasn't going to do an official unboxing, but it looks like it went pretty official to me. So let's go ahead and check out this color. This is Sapphire Blue once again. Let's see if we can get this out. Ooh, it's cold too. Wow, check that out. So you guys can see it does have dual SIM support, or you can use 2 SIMs, or you can go with the bottom option, which is 1 SIM, 1 SD card, up to 128 gigs. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Pull this off. Boom. And we'll pull the back one off too. Check out this blue. Wow, man, this thing, it has really nice, oh, what I did notice something real different on this one from compared to the other ones is that the new logo is on the bottom now. So that's the first thing that I noticed is different. They moved their logo down to the bottom, which I think looks pretty nice down there. And let me show you the other ones I got. So the new branding is on the top, and on this one here is on the bottom. Pretty nice, I like that. The blue frame is nice. Check out the frame. It's a nice cold frame all the way. You do have some ridges on the power button. You guys can see the ridges there. And we got the volume markers. And we got the SIM tray, which houses 2 SIMs, or SD card and a SIM. And on this side, there's nothing. So yeah, this is definitely, it's gonna be my main daily driver right now. I like the branding on the bottom, one thing. And I like the color, man. The color is just beast mode. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below, man. Which color do you guys prefer? I like this blue one right now. It's my favorite right now. But they also have a red, and the red one looks dope too. So, but I kind of like the branding on the bottom. Fingerprint magnet. Yeah, there you guys have it. Quick unboxing of new mobile G3 Sapphire Blue on deck. We out. We almost forgot the giveaway, guys. So to enter the giveaway, basically all you have to do is drop a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite color and how bad you want one of these. Oh, it's going to be free. We're going to go ahead and do USA giveaway only. So if you're outside of the USA, I apologize. We're going to be giving away one of these phones here with the service. So I will be sending you 3 months of Mint Mobile and also the phone of your choice. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know how bad you want one of these bad boys. Check you out in 2 weeks. We out.